Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best vinyl siding cleaner is probably one of the most important cleaning supplies you will ever need for your house exterior, because it can restore the beauty of your vinyl siding and make your home look newer and more attractive, saving you money on costly replacements. This video will review the top-rated vinyl siding cleaners on the market, comparing their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value, helping you choose the best one for your needs. Number 5. 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner. Say goodbye to unsightly moss, algae, and mildew stains. It's the simple solution for a cleaner outdoor space. It's tough on stains but gentle on your plants and lawn. Use it with confidence knowing it won't harm your landscaping. From decks and siding to driveways and patios, it tackles stains on a wide variety of surfaces. It's your all-in-one outdoor cleaning solution. Simply attach the sprayer, apply it to the affected area, and rinse. No more scrubbing or pressure washing needed. With 3 bottles and a convenient hose-end sprayer, you'll have everything you need to restore your outdoor spaces to their former glory. Order yours today. What we like. This cleaner tackles tough stains from organic growth quickly and effectively. It's also gentle on your landscaping, so you can clean without worry. If you need an easy-to-use solution for various outdoor surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit came with 2 bottles, and it took about 1.5 bottles to thoroughly clean the entire roof. This cleaner worked wonders, removing all the mold, mildew, and grime that had built up over time. Our roof now looks like new. Wow! This was quick. Sprayed it on, went to change to hose to rinse. By the time I came back to rinse it off, about 30 seconds, the side was clean. Just spray and rinse. I liked the product, it is almost effortless to apply. I cleaned moldy aluminum siding on my house and wooded panels on the garage and it did a near-perfect job just spraying it on and rinsing. Number 4. OxySolve House Cleaner. This powerful cleaner is perfect for removing tough stains from your house siding. It's safe for various surfaces and uses the power of peroxide for effective cleaning. It easily cleans vinyl, aluminum, stucco, wood, and brick. Say goodbye to unsightly stains and discoloration. This product effectively tackles algae, moss, and mildew stains, leaving your house siding looking fresh and clean. It uses the power of peroxide to lift grime and stains without harsh chemicals, making it a safer choice for you and your family. It's a safer, orally non-toxic formula, yet powerful enough to clean up to 6,400 square feet. Get professional-looking results with ease. With its powerful cleaning action and ease of use, it's the perfect solution for maintaining the beauty of your home's exterior. Get yours today. What we like. This powerful concentrate uses peroxide to lift grime without harsh chemicals, making it a safer choice for your family and the environment. If you're using a pressure washer and want a powerful, yet safe, cleaning solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. The siding was very dirty, so I was surprised at how clean it became after using OxySolve. I thought for sure I would have to do some scrubbing, but I didn't. It did a remarkably decent job. Better than I had expected, but I think it was a combination of the product and my elbow grease. The solution was sprayed on at low pressure, allowed to remain for 5 minutes, then pressure rinsed off at 2200 psi from 6-12 from the treated surface. No stains, not grime or mold was left. Number 3. Mold Armor EZ House Wash. Say goodbye to dirty siding. This powerful cleaner blasts away dirt, mold, and algae, leaving your home looking bright and new. No more scrubbing or ladders. It cleans up to 4,500 square feet, making cleaning your house a breeze. It doesn't just clean the surface, it removes dirt and kills stains at the source, leaving a long-lasting clean. This innovative formula lifts and clings to dirt and debris, ensuring a thorough clean that lasts. Simply spray it on, let it sit for 10 minutes, and rinse. It's that easy. It's safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including vinyl, brick, stucco, and more. Clean your entire house with confidence. What we like. This cleaner blasts away dirt and mold, leaving your siding looking bright and new. Its unique foaming technology clings to surfaces for a long-lasting clean. If you want a convenient and effective way to clean your siding without scrubbing, this is ideal. What people say. You just hook this product up to your hose and it does all the work. It is very easy to use and has an amazing reach. Depending on the nozzle selection you use, it can reach about 8 to 10 feet. Once hooked to the hose, you can shut the water off, rinse, or apply the solution. It also has a very strong bleachy smell to it. The solution lasts a pretty long while. It's very easy to use, just spray it on and rinse it off. No scrubbing or pressure washing needed. It makes my house look like new every time. Number 2. Zep House and Siding Wash. This powerful cleaner tackles tough stains and dirt on your house and siding. It's perfect for bringing back the shine to your home's exterior. It's tough enough for construction-grade cleaning, but gentle enough for various siding materials. It will leave your home looking its best. This concentrated formula is economical and efficient. 1 gallon makes up to 20 gallons of ready-to-use solution. Get professional-looking results with this easy-to-use cleaner. It's designed for superior cleaning power. It also cleans gutters, brick, and hard-coat stucco. It's a versatile solution for all your exterior cleaning needs. Please remember that this item is not returnable. Make sure this is the right product for your needs before purchasing. What we like. This heavy-duty cleaner tackles even the most stubborn stains and dirt. Its concentrated formula provides excellent value and professional-grade cleaning power. If you need a powerful cleaner for tough jobs, this is your best bet. What people say. It was easy to use and did a great job. The Weil roof is a bright white again. Zep really did a good job with this formula, it works fast with little effort. Great cleaning makes it look like new. Number 1. Drillbrush Red Outdoor Cleaning Kit. This powerful brush tackles tough outdoor cleaning jobs. It's perfect for cleaning concrete, brick, siding, and more, making home improvement easier. From cleaning grout to scrubbing decks, this kit is incredibly versatile. Its different sized brushes handle various surfaces and tight spaces with ease. Cleaning gaps and crevices is a breeze with the included edge brush. The larger brush tackles larger areas like decks and garage floors effortlessly. These brushes are built to last. The stiff bristles are securely attached for heavy-duty scrubbing and long-lasting performance. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a 90-day, no questions asked return policy. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing. This kit simplifies outdoor cleaning, saving you time and effort. What we like. This brush set is perfect for various outdoor cleaning tasks, from siding to concrete. The durable bristles are built to last, providing superior cleaning power. If you need a reliable and versatile cleaning tool for multiple surfaces, this is the one. What people say. Works very well. Easy to use. Brush assortment covers majority of cleaning projects. This product takes the scrubbing out of rust stains and accumulated grunge in the shower. Awesome little brush set, have a jacuzzi tub with a pebble-like non-slit base, and a pain to get clean due to the structure. The Drillbrush did a great job cleaning it and the jets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.